Again with another video. For today's video, gagawa tayo ng DIY. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I post mostly anything like DIY, fashion, travel. Minsan, funny din ako. No, fitness. Those are the things that I usually upload. Lifestyle, mga ganun. I hope na makapag-subscribe kayo. I'm trying to aim a 5,000 subscribers this year and I'm just halfway there, but I really thank everyone who subscribed to my channel and think that it is worth subscribing. Today's video, guys, gagawa tayo ng decoration ulit. Meron akong mga ilang decorations na gusto ko talagang bilhin, pero naisip ko with the right amount of creativity and resource, I think I can pull it off. Napakadami ngayon sa Instagram, nakikita ko ng mga nagbebenta ng mga round mirrors, rattan, or may mga crate, wood, iba-ibang design. And I'll be showing you a little DIY that I did na sana ay magustuhan nyo din at itry nyo din na gawin. Tara na, gawa na tayo ng DIY. Okay, so project number 1, ito yung mga kailangan nyo na materyales. First thing, inalis ko muna yung glass. And honestly, tinry ko siyang alisin sa mismong coverings niya, pero parang nababakbak siya. So, ginawa ko na lang is niremedyohan ko siya by covering it. Para lang akong gumagawa ng bracelet. Naglagay ako ng wooden beads and then nilagyan ko sila ng no nails na glue. Ito yung ginamit ko kasi sobrang tibay nito. Yung mismong salamin, optional siya kung gusto mo siya i-spray paint. In my case kasi wala akong spray paint, so hindi ako nakapag-spray paint that time. Pero if you want it to look like talagang sobrang pulido, spray paint it. And then next, itong extra embroidery hoop na nawawala yung kapartner niya. Imbis na itapon ay just made it into something useful. So I want to be a little extra on this project. Kaya yung parang banig niya is kinuha ko yung string by string. This is very time consuming pero super worth it siya kasi parang magiging cohesive siya with the mirror. Optional din to kung wood naman na yung embroidery hoop mo. It's just that I just want it to be more extra, ganon. Gusto ko rin matakpan yung parang lock niya, kaya kinoveran ko na din siya. With the glue naman, a little goes a long way. So there you go. It looks so good. And yung mismong banig, nilatag ko lang yung mismong banig and then naglagay din ako ng glue before actually cutting it. Make sure na it's flat when you put the embroidery hoop dun sa banig niya para hindi siya medyo lumalobo or whatnot. Make sure that it's flat. As you can see, parang hinahatak ko yung banig para hindi siya lumulobo. And then after a couple of minutes, inupit ko na siya. And then, there you go. Lagay na natin yung mirror at the center. And then, yun pa rin yung ginamit ko. Naglagay lang ako ng glue. And then, lastly, this is also optional. Kung meron ka ring ring, you can also do that para may dagdag lang na character sa mirror mo. Parang out of the place kasi yung lock ng embroidery hoop niya. So, naglagay na din ako ng ring para intentional yung design. So there you go. We have our DIY round mirror. And to our second and final project, we only need two materials for this. Isa is light bulb from Daiso and the other one I bought from Shopee. So itong light bulb na to guys, super nice nito because it is battery operated. Itong macrame cord, optional naman siya kung gusto mo ng macrame, pwede rin namang jute. So yeah, gusto ko lang siyang coveran ng macrame dahil yung tali niya aminin natin para siyang pintas na sapatos. So what you wanna do is to find the midpoint. So there are 3 strings. Yung left one, yung number 1, easy overlap mo siya sa number 2. And then, yung number 3 is ipapasok mo siya sa hook. So para kang nagkaroon ng tali at ang gitna mo ay yung second one. Kung nag-start ka sa left ka lang lagi magtatali. And automatically, yung pattern niya, magiging paikot na yon. And don't you just love time-lapse? I mean, kung napansin nyo, naubusan ako at the middle. And then I just got a new set of strings. And then, ganun lang din, inulit ko lang siya. Hindi ko na siya ginupit or whatnot. And there you go. We have our Macrame Lighting camera. So, what you guys think? Did I do great? Ano bang project yung mas nagustuhan nyo? Si project 1 ba? Or si project 2? So, that is it guys. Sana may natutunan kayo. If you wanna see more DIY room decorations or kahit mga damit, ganun, let me know in the comments and I will gladly do it for you guys. Ngayon naman, thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you next time.